way, but you a stepper, nigga. I was jumping off before first period, you was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock DMs cause it's gon' send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars, how about snatch your necklace, nigga?
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming to y'all back with another video. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, my wheels are finally going on. As y'all can see, the long-awaited process. I got 235s, 40 19s in the front, and I got, what I got in the back? 265 35 19s in the back. You feel me? So I got a little bit of big wheel in the back. My lip pad came as well, but my fangs didn't come. I didn't order my fangs because my lip wasn't supposed to come today. This was supposed to come when I was at BIMMER Invasion, but it came early. So kinda everything set up, like just missing my fangs and some other stuff, but the car coming along. My brother had dropped off my car earlier because they had to do it early in the morning. So I'm gonna drop the clips of the process of the wheels getting put on and everything like that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. I'm probably gonna get some more reels and stuff like that after I put on the front wheels. We waiting just for the spacers to come, waiting for the truck or whatever. And then we're gonna see how the car looks. Wheel on. I just want to see when it just dropped. I said, watch when this bitch drop. Damn. Think it's gonna clear? Hopefully these fit. I do not want to deal with any more problems. Looks like everything cleared though. So we about to see right now.
Hey man, Tesla brother, you have to pressure. It's pressure. Press it. Nah, bro. Firm. See ya.
Sheesh. Front end looking clean too. Bruh, this is before the alignment. This is what the picture looking like. bro. You see, I mastered this shit. I mastered it. I know how to do fitment, bro. Perfect fitment. Now we about to align this and get it right. I know what I'm doing. If you need the perfect size tires and specs, hit up me. I know what I'm doing. They talking about a little clean. Yeah, we in there. We in there, and we on springs. No coils, static life. About to do an alignment. What was that? About to do the alignment right now, but like I said, I mastered this fitment stuff. Literally perfect fitment. This is before the alignment. Car looking mad clean. Look at this. Lip on. Getting ready for BIMMER invasion. Sheesh. Nah, this car look crazy. It look crazy now. This is where the true fitment comes in. It's on the doctor table now. Feel me? Going under the knife. Yes, sir. About to have some clean fitment. I'm telling y'all, if y'all need help with y'all fitment, guys, just hit me up. Or just come to Fortune Minds. They'll tell you everything you need to know about fitment. That's how I always get the best fitment. Don't ever say I never put y'all on. Oh, this is what we're looking like right now. Holy shit's like, damn. Fitment looking clean. See how it dries and everything like that. Alright, YouTube, that's going to end up today's video. As you can see, the front lip is on, the wheels is on. I still got to get me a car wash and everything like that, but this is what the car is looking like right now after the alignment and everything like that. Looking clean, but tomorrow I'm going to clean up the car inside and out, whole little detail, put on some stickers and things like that. So with that being said, and I still got to figure out this check engine light. I just haven't had time to go to the shop. With that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. It's been your boy Von, and I'm gone.
Fuck around, got lit like a torch. If the love ain't out on force, I'm in the city, I don't need an escort. Be the lanes all in a court, yeah, that BIMMER clean, but I want that Porsche. Let's go down nowadays, I gave them a reason, the back door. Down south on the highway, I just got these peas from the head back north. Back then was a different story, can't show too much love no more. Whole lot of shit that I seen, young nigga 15 dripping off that porch. Nigga when the switching 18, never bloody scene, tryna plug.